Good morning, students. This is your computer teacher Devdeep sir, and I am back with the revision work of Fun with MS Paint chapter. Students, as we all know that we love to paint, isn't it? We love painting like anything, and the same we are going to do today. In class 1, you learned about how you can open Microsoft Paint and how we can do any form of painting. Okay? Now, just like that our normal painting, we will use the same things or tools necessary to do painting. We have the pencil tool, we have the eraser tool, we have the color tool by the help of which we can do the painting. But today, let us learn something more. What if I tell you we can draw different shapes also? How about drawing a circle? How about drawing a rectangle? How about drawing a polygon which is made up of different sides? Okay. See, the first thing we will learn today is the rectangle tool. Now, rectangle tool, what will the rectangle tool help us to do? Rectangle tool helps us to draw rectangular shapes. So, any form of rectangular shape can be drawn with the help of the rectangle tool. Now, two things you have to remember here. We can draw a rectangle of any size, okay, and any width. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size as well as width. Okay. So, how to do it? We will have to click on the home tab first, step 1. Click over the rectangle tool, step 2. Step 3, click on the size, choose a particular size. Step 4, drag the mouse pointer to increase or decrease the size. Understood? I repeat once again, click on the home tab, click on the rectangle sign, click on the size option, click on the width option and drag to adjust the size. Okay? And what did we learn? What is the use of the rectangle tool? It helps us to draw rectangular shapes. Okay? Now, polygon tool. Suppose we want to draw a figure with many sides. Okay? You want to draw a figure with many sides. Which tool you will use? The polygon tool. So, that brings us to our use. Polygon tool helps us figures with many sides. It will help us to draw figures with different sides, okay, many sides, all right. Now, see the steps very nicely. Again, we have to click on the home tab, step 1. Step 2, you have to click over here, the polygon tool, okay. How does the polygon tool look like? It looks somewhat like this, okay. This is the shape where you have to click on. This is the polygon tool shape. Then click on the size box and adjust the size. After that, we will press the left button and drag the mouse. See, the moment we start dragging, we can repeat the step and draw multiple lines until we finish the figure. Okay. So, polygon tool is the most interesting tool. How we are drawing? Just see. Suppose we want to draw a line. So, first of all, in polygon tool we draw the line, then again we can drag here, Again we can drag the mouse like this. We can draw it like this. We can draw it like this, like this, like this. This is a polygon tool. Understood? So we will just drag the mouse in this way. Okay. First you draw a line, then you drag it, then you drag it, then you drag the line in this way, then in this way, like this, and like this. This becomes your polygon. Okay. Did you understand, children? So what does the polygon tool help us to do? It helps us to draw figures with many sides. Okay. So please revise these two pages now, page number 65 and 66. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye bye.